Welcome, Julie Hackworth here at my newest listing in Summit Township. It is a 4-bedroom, 2 full bath home situated on 3/4 of an acre at the end of a cul-de-sac. Very quiet, private, low traffic area. And right now I'm in this big, gorgeous living room featuring these windows. Can you picture yourself curling up in a blanket, sipping on hot cocoa, taking a book and gazing out these beautiful windows at the tree line? Just breathtaking. Come take a tour and see all the other amazing features this home has to offer.